Welcome to our topic, Quick Search Tag Information. Within the Tag Information window, we'll be looking at two areas, both the Components tab and the Attachments tab. We'll discuss the purpose of establishing the parent and component relationship, and I'll give a demonstration of what that looks like. We'll also show you how to attach a document within the Attachments tab. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and we'll get started. Once you've logged into the TIPWeb-IT application, locate Quick Search in your top navigation bar just to the right of the Audits icon. I'm going to go ahead and scan a tag which will open the Tag Information window. Note that the particular tag that I've chosen belongs to a cart. Also, this particular cart has an asset type of standalone, and there's three asset types in our application. There's standalone, there's parent, and there's component. I want to discuss with you establishing the parent and component relationship, and I'm going to use this particular tag to accomplish that task. What I will be doing is assigning laptops to this cart. Once that association is made, the cart will become a parent and the laptops assigned to it will become components. I'll go ahead and click on the Component tab and we'll discuss a few tips that may help you in this process. First of all, note that tags that are in use to a student or staff cannot be given as components. Also, only tags with a status of available can be assigned as components. And lastly, components will acquire the parent's status and location. We'll go ahead and scan three tags to this particular cart. Now that the tags are assigned, they'll list beneath the blue grid header, along with the product name, product type, and tag numbers. To the far right, under Actions, we can remove a particular tag as a component by clicking on the Remove icon. We can transfer tags individually to another tag by clicking on the Transfer Component icon. Or we can transfer all tags listed to another tag by clicking on the Transfer All Components icon. Next, I want to go ahead and select a particular tag and get more information. I'll select the first tag, and the Tag Information window will populate. Note that the asset type now of this particular tag, which happens to be a laptop, is a component. If I click back on the Components tab, I'll see the parent. And I can move back over to the Parent tag by clicking on the tag number. Next, let's talk about actions we can take on a parent tag by selecting the Action drop-down menu. We can change the location of a parent tag by issuing it to a student, staff, or we can do a room transfer. When we do any of these tasks, we also have the potential of moving the components with the parent. To demonstrate that, I'm going to do a room transfer. The room-to-room transfer will open. I'm going to go ahead and enter a room number to transfer this parent to, and once the tag is listing, I'll go ahead and save, which opens up the Components Confirmation window. It lets me know the parent tag that will be moved and the component tags. If I decide not to move a particular component, I can remove it. To complete the process, I'll click on Go to confirm. Now the parent and its components have been moved to another room. Issuing to staff and student follows the same procedure. Now that we've completed our instruction on establishing that parent and component relationship, let's move on to our next subject matter, which has to do with attachments. The attachments area allows us to add various documents to a particular tag. I'm going to go ahead and click on Add Attachment, and I'm going to browse for a particular document. The example I'm going to give is, let's say we need to attach a police report because a particular tag has been stolen. I'll select the report, which happens to be a PDF, and open. We'll add notes, and before we save, notice the size limit of 1 megabyte per document. As long as I do not exceed 1 megabyte, I can attach a PDF, a video, Word document, picture, and so on. This concludes our instruction on Quick Search tag information for both the Components tab and Attachments tab. We want to thank you for watching, and remember, you have unlimited support. Please find additional materials and videos on our Support Center.